Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your identity with LifeLock, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your identity with LifeLock, start by visiting the LifeLock website. Explore the different plans available to find one that suits your needs. Consider the features offered, such as identity theft protection, credit monitoring, and dark web surveillance. Select a plan and click on the Get Started button. Provide the required information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Create an account by setting up a username and password. Provide payment information to complete the registration process. Once registered, log into your LifeLock account. Review your dashboard to understand the services included in your plan. Set up alerts for suspicious activity by customizing your notification preferences. Link your credit card accounts and bank accounts to enhance monitoring. Consider placing a credit freeze with major credit bureaus for added protection. Utilize LifeLock's identity restoration services in case of an issue. Monitor your alerts regularly to stay informed about any potential threats. Stay educated on identity theft tactics to protect yourself further. Utilize the resources available on the LifeLock website for additional tips. Remember to review your credit reports at least once a year. Take advantage of LifeLock's insurance coverage for added peace of mind. With these steps, you can use LifeLock effectively to safeguard your identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.